Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come to you with a very special video, and it is a Stoney Clover double, I don't think I forgot this, double unboxing. A few weeks ago I posted my Stoney Clover collection video, and a bunch of folks really liked that and asked for more Stoney Clover videos, and so I thought I would just share what I picked up with you. So if you know Stoney Clover, then you kind of already have an idea maybe what these are. This is from the Princess Restock, and you can tell by the Disney sticker that they included on the box. And then this is just a little stock up that I did before the recent price increase. So I'm going to start with this one. I've already opened it, so you don't have to watch me struggle on camera. One of my favorite things that I love about Stoney Clover, the packaging. It's so cute. So it comes in this iridescent little bag with the little cellophane, and I actually save this and love to reuse it for gift wrap for doing gifts because it's like so easy with odd shaped items. Yeah, so let me show you what I got from this little haul. Okay. Stoney Clover also puts your receipt in these little envelopes. They also include a postcard, which is very cute, and a sticker. And this sticker is just Stoney Clover themed. When you shop the different collections, the postcard and the sticker match the collections. When you shop classic, they're kind of the more classic stickers and postcards. So that's a lot of fun. Anyway, in here, sorry, this is probably loud. I have a new obsession, and that new obsession is avocado. I just started falling in love with this bright color, and when I first saw, this is kind of loud too, when I first saw this pop of color on Kendall's wrist, I was like, ooh, those avocado silk scrunchies are a need. Like, so cute. I actually love using these at night when I sleep. I don't curl, I don't wash my hair every day. I mean, who has the time? And I don't curl it every day either. And actually what I do is I'll use one of these silk scrunchies and I'll just like put it on all like bam, like ponytail on top of my head at night. And it really helps the curls stay. And so these are really nice for that, but they're also good for during the day if you just want to throw your hair up. And they're also very cute on the wrist. I kind of love that. Kind of goes with the outfit. This is a Fanny Pack in avocado. And kind of what inspired this is I was thinking it was like it's kind of like that Bottega Veneta green in some ways. Obviously without the price point, but it's just a good, fun sort of pop of color. Let me see if I can get the tape over tissue. Like, did you see my Chanel unboxing? I struggled with it there too. Oh wait, oh, I know what I'll do. I'll unbuckle it. Haha, and we'll just slide this right off. Just slide it right off. Making a mess. Here we go. This is a Stoney Clover tape on my hand. Oh. Classic Fanny Pack, just in the core color avocado. That's the green. Inside, we're going to remove this card and silica packet. If you know, you know. This is a sign you have too much Stoney Clover when you still have items with that sitting inside that you haven't used yet. And then there's just the little tag on the inside. But I just thought this is like a fun thing for running errands, little, just spice up your life with a little avocado. Avocado green. So cute. Okay. Then next, I grabbed this Noir Notebook. And the reason why I grabbed Noir, like, these are very unusual colors for me. But my logic behind this is I am going to glue the Chanel No. 5 patches, the fabric patches that came with the Chanel advent calendar on here and make a little Chanel notebook. So in here, this is actually like not dissimilar. It's vegan leather, but it's not dissimilar in like vibe to the Hermes ones. Little extra protective paper. So the notebook inside, it just has a clear cover. Whoops. If I can get it static. A clear cover, and then there's like lined sheets inside. There's this little card. There's this little slip pocket back here that you can store stuff in. This is also good if you want to use a different notebook. So people use this as like a agenda cover or a book cover or something like that. This notebook, it just snaps in here. So I'm going to do that project and glue, because you can't, Stoney Clover won't glue non-Stoney Clover patches onto their products, but the super glue or Gorilla Glue works super well, especially on this vegan leather. And then there's a little pen or pencil holder here. Very cute. And prices, I don't know if there's going to be prices on here. Otherwise, well, they will be different than what I paid because the prices on things just recently went up. And then the little magnets snap. So I'm very excited for this. And then finally, I just grabbed an extra little M pearl patch. Let me pull it out of here so you can see it better. Oh, double plastic bag. I don't know. But it's just a little pearl M. I thought maybe I would want an M to go with the Chanel patches because they're quite small. So I need to play around with the layout, but I'll do that on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, my handle is @MaddieShops, just like here. Okay, so that was, let me do some cleanup because there's like a lot of knickknacks and whatever lying around. That was my little restock. Oh no, wait. One more thing that I grabbed along with that were a bunch of these mini letters. These launched with Ruby for Valentine's Day, the red one. I only got the scrunchie, but then I went back for the mini letters. So the normal letters are this size, and these are just mini ones, and I just thought I would stock up on them to have them for other projects in the future. I got letters for my initials, and then I got letters that spelled out Maddie. Amazing mini letters. But these little pouches are handy to like store them in. So that's that. Now, Princess. Let's get into her. Okay. This is like so Stoney Clover did a collaboration with Disney, if you are not familiar with Stoney Clover, and this is their princess collection. The first launch, I just went for the mixed princess print. I have the fanny pack right here. Let me show you. Let me just do a little bit of cleanup as we go. This is the one that I bought in the first launch. Very fun, very Disney, very like sweet. And I got a few other items in that color for my upcoming trip. I'm doing a half marathon at Disney World, hopefully, pending safety, everything. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, so I got 2 scrunchies. I got the Cinderella scrunchie. These are so cute. And the mixed princess, so like all princess scrunchie. So this matches the fanny pack I got originally. And this. Cute. So the half marathon that I'm doing, what you do is you dress up as a Disney princess. And so I'm going to kind of like accessorize Cinderella. So I'm going to have my hair up in a bun like Cinderella, very functional for running also. And then I have like a kind of like blue top that has white sleeves. So it's kind of like Cinderella-y. And then while I'm running, I got this for the run. It is a Cinderella fanny pack with my initials MC in the color peach, but peach in this case, it's the color pumpkin. So cute, right? And then these, more tape. More tape, help us. Okay, no, it's not taped all the way around, so I can rip through the tissue. This will be so cute for running the race and functional, obviously, phone, snacks, etc. But it's also going to be really good for a little park action. Cute. And so then I also got, separate from this, from my friend Rachel at Castle Crystals, this pop socket. You guys are like, what happened? We're now Disney crazy? Yes. Okay. Just for the situational moment, we are. And so this is Cinderella's carriage. And so then, all right, had to do one of these. This is the Cinderella glass slipper patch on Sky. So cute, such a moment. And then finally, because we're traveling, I got these packing cubes. This is great because this will show you one of every Disney princess print. If you can bear through the loud noises. Okay, great. So the big packing cube is the Cinderella print, which you've seen. This is actually such a great deal, and I love traveling with packing cubes. They're like so helpful. Then in another large, we have a Tiana print, and then the front is like this mesh so that it's like breathable. And there's a little handle that's handy. So this is Tiana. And then we have Ariel, and I think this is slightly smaller or the same size. I can't tell. Ariel. I think Ariel and Jasmine are the same size, and they're like a medium size, smaller. This is Jasmine. And then Sleeping Beauty, or Aurora is her official name. And then Snow White, and I think that Snow White is just her name. It's funny how Sleeping Beauty has two names, but Snow White just has the one. Anyone? No? Okay. And then finally, Belle in this like little, this is like really good for delicates, undergarments, etc. So just a little, this nylon is different than like the thicker Fanny Pack nylon, if that makes sense. This is like a little bit more lightweight and thinner because it's for packing. And so yeah, and so that's it. That's everything from my recent Stoney Clover haul. So if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy Stoney Clover videos, please give this a thumbs up. If you have any questions about Stoney Clover or my collection or things like that, I'll link the collection video down below, but please let me know. I'm always happy to talk about it. I talk about it a lot on Instagram, so go follow me there. And otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys all later. Okay, bye.